Hey, hello, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is one of my favorites, the 2017 the Ford Edge. We have a huge Edge inventory here at Sunset Ford. Stock number is 7296, allowing you to see this Edge up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos, making our way around the passenger side. No dings, no dents, no scratches. 150-point vehicle inspection has been performed on this sport model Edge before we even put it out here on the lot. Absolutely impeccable. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. Are you ready to hear how many miles? 14,000 miles on this Edge. Let's take a look at the interior here now. Ample legroom, absolutely in stunning condition. So you're going to see automatic transmission. Fully loaded, power windows, locks, cruise, and tilt. For more information on this Edge or any other Edges that we have in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. Get ready to save. We look forward to meeting you. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.